Yummy, yummy. You never done sha, but take a look at that. Take a look at that yummy goodness. So guys, let's start by adding some onion, some paprika, yeah, some bell pepper, and our washed beans. Yes, I washed these beans the night before and I soak it a little bit so that it can soak. So I just added one scotch bonnet, added some water. So we are going to blend. Now that it's blended, I added the remaining ingredients. That way it's easy for everything to blend. Yeah, so I just added the remaining beans. So I'm going to just blend that up until it's very smooth. So right now I'm just pouring it in a bowl. That way I can mix everything up. So I added some oil to my pan. Added a little seasoning cube, yeah, half seasoning cube. I'm going to add my roughly blended scotch bonnet and onions. Yeah, so I added a little bit of curry because I just wanted that party smell in my moimoi. So I went ahead and added some salt. So take a look at that. This kind of took my moimoi to another level. Trust me, guys. I'll just add my grilled fish. Yes, grilled fish, which I scattered because I want it to just be tiny inside, little pieces inside the moi moi. So I also went ahead and add some grilled prawns, a bit smoked prawns. So I'm just going to give that a good stir. So the last but not the least, I added my crayfish. Yeah, my blended crayfish. So this crayfish is very important when it comes to moi moi, okay? It's very important. Right now, just serving it in my little containers. Yeah, this is what I made my moi moi with. So I also go ahead and add in some boiled egg, which I cut into two. Yes, I was in the mood to eat boiled egg, so I just decided to add some. Most time I skip this part, but why not? So we are going to be steam cooking this. I added a little bit of water to my pot, add in all my moi moi and just cover and allow that to cook. 1 hour and few minutes later, our moi moi done. Take a look at that yummy goodness. This moi moi was super delicious. I still have a little bit left in my fridge. It's so delicious. So guys, take a look at that. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Ciao.